Wait, naiyak ako.
Bakit hindi na lang naging kayo? Parang gano'n.
Naiyak ako, sorry. Sinabi sa akin ni Direk Easy na huwag ako iiyak sa scene na to. Ba't hindi ko napigilan yung sarili ko?
At saka ang ganda ng montage nung journey natin, no? Tinatanong nga kita, di ba? Saan ba galing tong concept na to?
I don't know. I just woke up one day. I think it's another way of saying that parang yun nga, you have to be careful who you take for granted. We always think that they're just gonna be there. But one day, pwede silang mawala sa'yo. It was very
Pero yun
heartbreaking.
yun, no? Yung alam mong mahal na mahal.
Hi, besties!